In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the power of a number in PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentations are versatile tools for communication, widely used in education, business, and various forms of digital storytelling. One of the lesser known yet invaluable tricks in enhancing your PowerPoint presentation involves the correct formatting of text, especially when it comes to mathematical notation. Specifically, we'll delve into how you can represent the power of a number accurately. This is something you'll find incredibly useful when dealing with subjects that involve mathematical equations, scientific notation, or any context where exponents are necessary. First things first, let's get the basics covered. You need to have Microsoft PowerPoint opened on your computer. If it's not already open, take a moment to launch the application. You'll typically find it in your list of programs or by searching for it in your computer's search bar. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where all the magic starts. From this screen, you'll want to open the file you're working on, navigate through your folders or the recent files section to find the exact presentation you need. If it's a new project, feel free to create a new presentation and get ready to dive in. Now, with your presentation open and the slide you want to edit in view, it's time to pinpoint the text or number you're looking to elevate, quite literally. Whether it's part of a sentence or a standalone figure, use your mouse to highlight the specific text or number that you intend to present as an exponent. This action signals to PowerPoint that you're focusing on this specific element for formatting. Following that, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. This is your cockpit for controlling everything in your presentation. Click on the Home tab to reveal a toolkit of common formatting options and tools. The Home tab houses essential functions for text and slide formatting, offering a broad range of capabilities. Within the Home tab, you'll find various groups of tools. Look for the Font group, which, as its name implies, contains all the options related to font style, size, color, and effects. The Font group is your gateway to fine-tuning how text appears on your slide, offering a level of precision in how you communicate your message. Now, this is where the trick comes into play. In the bottom right corner of the Font group, there's a tiny arrow, a launcher that opens the doors to further customization. Click on this arrow, and a new window will pop up. This window, often called the Font dialog box, holds advanced settings beyond the basic font adjustments you see in the ribbon. In the Font dialog box, you'll spot various options to modify your text, but there's one we're particularly interested in for our purpose today: superscript. Keep an eye out for the checkbox marked superscript. By ticking this box, you command PowerPoint to raise the selected text or number and reduce its font size, transforming it into the perfect representation of a mathematical exponent. It's a simple tick, but it makes all the difference in clarity and professionalism in your presentations. Once you've checked the superscript box, hit OK to apply the change. Immediately you'll notice the selected text or number shift position aligning itself as an exponent relative to the rest of your content. It's a small change, but it plays a significant role in accurately conveying information, particularly in fields laden with formulas and scientific expressions. And just like that, you've mastered a neat technique in PowerPoint that goes a long way in enhancing your slides' effectiveness and clarity. Using this feature correctly ensures that your presentations are not only visually appealing, but also precise in their communication, especially when dealing with complex numerical or scientific data. Remember, the beauty of PowerPoint lies in its versatility and ease of use. With this newfound knowledge, you're now equipped to present numbers in their power form accurately, bringing an extra layer of professionalism to your presentations. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, these small formatting tips can significantly impact how your information is perceived and understood. For more tips and tricks on enhancing your PowerPoint presentations, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy presenting!